Hi, my name is Shelby. I'm a physical therapist at Request Physical Therapy. Today's video is going to cover a further continuation of our series on prevention of low back pain. So we're going to show the progression of our abdominal stabilization exercises. We've covered how to learn how to contract our transverse abdominis muscle. So today's video is just going to show you a few ways that you can continue to progress that core stabilization. The possibilities are endless when it comes to core stabilization, but hopefully this will just give you a few ideas on how you can continue to challenge those deep core muscles to help prevent low back pain. So one further progression of these core stabilization exercises involves a physio ball. The physio ball is a very versatile tool that you can use to progress your abdominal stabilization. So I'm just going to show a few progressions here, but the progressions are endless, working on challenging your stable surface using this physio ball as a tool to do so. So one exercise here. Now that we've mastered how to do our transverse abdominis contraction, we're going to perform that first. Then we're going to come, lift our hips up into a bridge, and then lower back down. So this ball is challenging our stabilization. Once you feel like you've mastered this, you can do a bridge, then roll the legs in and roll them out, slowly lowering down, further making this exercise more challenging. So now we're doing core and hip stabilization, which contribute to our overall core stabilization. So again, to perform this one, you're going to contract your abdominals first, lift the hips up, hold for a count of 3, squeezing the glutes, roll the legs in and back out, and then slowly lower back down. You can also use this physio ball for a lot of exercises such as a plank. So we can do our traditional plank, but also once you feel like you've mastered that, the next one we're going to use this surface here, putting our forearms here on the ball. We can come all the way up here, or if this is a little bit too challenging to begin with, you can perform this on the knees as well, because you want to make sure that you're not dropping the hips up or down. But again, this is just a more challenging version to really make sure we're targeting that deep transverse abdominis muscle. Another challenging progression of planks that we can do to really challenge our deep core muscles is called a plank around the world. So what we're going to do, we're going to come into a plank position here. So remember, really squeezing that stomach muscle in, and then we can work by moving each extremity one at a time. So bring foot out and back, this foot out and back, lift one arm, lift another arm. The key to this is making sure that the hips stay level, working on challenging that muscle to keep the core activated. So hopefully this was helpful to giving you a few exercises that you can implement into your routine. Remember to perform these with enough frequency to really make a difference multiple times throughout the week, performing 3 sets of 10 repetitions. You can play with that a little bit, going to 4 sets, but with enough frequency to really make sure we're developing those core stabilization muscles. So hopefully this helps, and hope you have a great day.